What if a function could remember variables from a scope that no longer exists? In Python, a closure is a function that retains access to variables from its enclosing scope, even after the outer function is returned. Python doesn't discard those outer variables. Instead, it stores them in special cell objects tied to the inner function. The inner function can then read or modify them at any future time. A classic example is a counter factory. MakeCounter creates a count variable and returns the inner increment function. Each call to increment updates count via the nonlocal keyword. And count persists across calls even though MakeCounter finished long ago. Closures capture references, not copies. Classic gotcha. These lambdas all capture the same I variable. After the loop, I is 2. So all 3 functions return 2. The fix. A default argument snapshots the value at creation time. 2 final points. Python uses lexical scoping. A closure captures variables based on where it is defined in source code, not where it's called. And those captured variables stay in memory as long as the closure object exists. Closures bind outer variables by reference with lexical scope and keep them alive for the closure's lifetime. Practice answering this question out loud. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.